y'all, it's your girl Krista Marie and welcome back to my channel. For all the new subscribers, welcome, and all my returning subscribers, welcome back to the channel. So I actually need to go run a few errands today, so I was like, why not just bring them along with me to go run some errands? So let's go ahead and head to the store so I can pick up these few things and get to it. Like, let's just go ahead and start our day. So let's go. So you definitely need to start the day off with some nice Starbucks, but I need gas, so on the way to the gas station. I got this new tripod for my car. It said that it didn't shake. They said that it was still and steady, but as I'm looking in the camera right now, as I'm driving, it's shaking, and I don't like that because I purchased it for that reason. They said it doesn't shake, you know, and it looks like it's shaking and wobbling. So yeah, I don't like that. But let me head to this gas station and get my gas so I can head to go get my matcha, because I need my matcha cha cha cha. Matcha cha cha cha. Instantly don't want gas when the machine outside tells me that I need to go inside to see the cashier. I'm like, well well, if I wanted to go see the cashier, I would initially just went in to do that, but I'm like, I don't know. And that happens quite often. Typically at gas stations all the time, that happens. That little notification, please see cashier. If I wanted to go inside, then I would have went inside. But anyways, I secured the Starbucks matcha cha. It's so good. So good. I get iced matcha and I get I put 2 pumps of vanilla, 1 pump of chai. Chef's kiss. There you have it. Delicious. Now I'm getting ready to head to Trader Joe's to get my eucalyptus for the week. Well, I actually do it every 2 weeks. I get eucalyptus for my shower every 2 weeks from Trader Joe's. And I also get, a few food items that I use to help me meal prep for the week from Trader Joe's as well. So we're headed to Trader's. We're headed to Trader Joe's. I don't know why people be calling it Trader's. That's really funny. It's low-key funny, for real. Trader's. So we're heading to Trader Joe's. I literally picked up a whole bunch of random stuff. Some of these chicken dumplings, I hope they're good. These are definitely good. So good. I like to make a cucumber salad with these. And this fried rice is so good. And of course, I got some flowers and some eucalyptus for my shower. And I got this cooking spray, avocado. So that's about it. That's all. Trying to vlog inside of Club Trader's. If you know, you know. Like, Trader Joe's is always packed. I don't care what time of day, what day of the week, they're always packed. Like, all the time. I hate it, but I love it. Like, the people are super friendly. Like, Trader Joe's, the lines move super quickly. The cashiers and the people on the floor are super friendly. And the people who shop at Trader Joe's, like, they're just, I don't know, like, they're just really nice people. Because I'm a really friendly person, so, like, as soon as I look at somebody, I'm instantly, like, smiling. And people are, like, smiling at me. I'm just like, wow, everybody's just so happy and just having a good time here at Trader Joe's. So, yeah. Now, I need to head to Target to get a few basic essential items. And, yeah. I don't even know what I'm going to eat for dinner. That's the gag. That's the gag. Okay, so I'm outside of Target. And it just literally started downpouring all of a sudden. Hold on, turn my camera on. Oh, hold up. I'm a little slow here. Okay, so it started downpouring. Oh, Kiki, tell the vlog, hey.
What's up, y'all?
She's crazy. But it started raining. Like, it was sunny and shining, and then all of a sudden it just started downpouring. But I have to go in Target and get my few little things. I just left Tradarius. I love saying Tradarius. Why do people call, like, the internet is so funny to me. But no, I just left Trader Joe's. I'm getting ready to go into Target to get my few items that I need out of here. My bang is falling. But yeah, I'm about to go inside Target and get the few things that I need. And yeah. Heading into Target now. Let me get out of the car. Because before it started raining again. It stopped. It's like really softly raining. So let me get out now while it's not raining. Because I don't want to get too wet. Okay, also, hold on. Okay, also, I'm in Target picking up the basic essentials. Cetaphil. I'm trying this Panoxyl face wash. I'm gonna just try it out. Some vitamin C by Nature. Hopefully it's good. I think vitamin C, you just can't go wrong with a good vitamin C serum. And this, I want to pronounce it as Finery, sweet on the outside. It smells so good. It's a mist. And some facial, everybody, you need a sunscreen. I don't care who you are, what you are. You need to wear a sunscreen on your face every day, okay? You need to moisturize your skin every day, okay? Tell them, Kiki, every day.
Every single day.
Thank you. Because if you don't, what's gonna happen?
Your face is gonna get
Bombastic side eye. You guys don't want sunspots and wrinkles and aging skin, so put y'all sunscreen on every day. But yeah, I literally just needed a few things from Target. I'm getting ready to head out because I feel like the rain is getting ready to come back and I don't want to get caught in the rain. So, wrapping this up. I'm thinking I should walk by the clothes. I purposely didn't walk by the clothes initially because I didn't want to buy anything extra. So, I don't think I'm gonna stop at the clothes. I'm loving this little hairstyle with a little ponytail in the bang. So cute. I have made it home and I'm so proud of myself because I literally went into the store, got what I needed. I did make a few detours, but I accomplished the goal. I did what I did, I got what I was supposed to get, and I left up out of there. So I'm really proud of myself and I deserve a pat on the back. Clap for me. Yes, I know. Y'all look at these flowers I got from Trader Joe's. They're just, I put them in my room because it's just gonna brighten my smile every morning when I wake up for at least like a week. They're gonna last probably. And they smell so good. So for at least for a week when I wake up, I'll just be so excited and happy because Trader Joe's had this cute flower bouquet. But anyways, as always, I appreciate you guys for hanging out with me for the day. Running my few errands that I had to do, and yeah. I appreciate you guys for watching this video, and as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you turn on that post notification bell so therefore you can be notified every time I post a video. And as always, thank you guys for tuning in, and until next time, bye.